Hi students, welcome to the video session on the topic weather and climate. Today we are going to learn part 2 of the video. In this lesson we are going to discuss about atmospheric pressure, wind, humidity, precipitation and clouds. Now let us learn about it in detail. First we are going to learn about atmospheric pressure. Air is a mixture of gases and therefore has weight. Due to its weight, it exerts pressure on the Earth's surface, which varies not only from place to place but also from time to time. The weight of air on a unit area of the Earth's surface is called air pressure. Atmospheric pressure is defined as the force per unit area exerted against a surface by the weight of the air above that surface. Air pressure is highest at sea level and decreases with altitude. Pressure decreases with increasing height. Atmospheric pressure is also influenced by temperature of air at a given place. Next topic that we are going to learn is wind. Air moves from high pressure areas to low pressure areas. This horizontal movement of air over the Earth's surface is called wind. It is caused by the unequal heating and cooling of the Earth and the atmosphere by the sun, which produces differences in air pressure. Winds blow from high pressure to low pressure. Winds occur at all levels. Global winds, also called as trade winds, upper level winds, they are jet streams, local winds and winds that develop because of geographical features like sea breezes. Winds can be divided into three types. They are permanent winds that blow constantly throughout the year in a particular direction. The trade winds, westerlies and easterlies are the permanent winds. Seasonal winds change their direction in different seasons. For example, monsoons in India. And local winds that blow only during a particular period of the day or year in a small area. For example, land and sea breeze. The hot and dry local winds that blow in the plains of northern India called Lu is a local wind. Next, we will be discussing about humidity. Humidity is the amount of water vapor present in the air. It is a measure of the moisture content in the atmosphere. It varies from place to place and from time to time. In common parlance, when we talk about humidity, we refer to relative humidity. Relative humidity is the ratio between the actual amount of water vapor present in the air and the total amount the air can hold at a given temperature. It is expressed as percentage. Warm air can hold more water vapor than cold air. Relative humidity is an important indicator in forecasting weather. Humidity indicates the likelihood of rainfall, dew, or fog. When the relative humidity is 100%, dew point is said to occur. When the air cools further, the water vapor condenses to form clouds and rain. Thus, in the equatorial regions, the air is moist when the relative humidity is high. However, in the desert areas, the air is dry as the relative humidity is low. The next topic that we are going to learn is precipitation. Due to evaporation from the water bodies, the atmosphere gets water in the form of water vapor. As the air cools, the water vapor is transformed into water drops by means of condensation and clouds are formed. When clouds are many thousands of feet thick, These small droplets join together to form larger drops which can no longer remain suspended in the air. These drops then fall down on the earth as rain, snow, and hail. The process by which products of condensation, that is water droplets, ice crystals, sleet, etc., fall to ground is known as precipitation. Rainfall, snowfall, drizzle, sleet, and hail are the chief forms of precipitation. Precipitation takes place only when tiny particles of water join together to form large-sized particles which become too heavy to remain in suspension in the clouds. The first form of precipitation, that is rain. It is the most common form of precipitation. Raindrops of smaller size and less intensity are known as drizzle. Second, snow. Water droplets which rise higher and freeze on account of drop in temperature cause snowfall. Snowfall usually occurs in winter in cold climates or on high mountains. Third, hail. Sometimes vertical air currents may push water droplets or ice particles higher. They form into solid ice and fall as hail. Hailstones cause great damage to crops. The next topic that we are going to learn, clouds. Tiny droplets of water vapor which are too small to fall as rain or snow remain suspended in the air and stick to things like bits of dust, ice or sea salt and float as clouds. The exact composition of clouds is influenced by the temperature. Clouds remain in a state of constant evolution and show a variety of shapes, sizes, and forms. Four main types of clouds and their characteristics are given below in the table. The first type, they are cirrus clouds. They are composed mainly of ice crystals. They indicate fair weather. Their appearance, wispy or feathery, commonly known as mare tails. The second type, they are stratus. They are composed of raindrops. They are uniformly grey and thick. They bring dull weather like little drizzle. The second type is stratus. They are composed of raindrops. They are uniformly grey and thick. They bring dull weather with a light drizzle. They reduce the visibility of aircrafts and are dangerous. Their appearance, flat clouds spread like sheet over wide areas. The third type of clouds, they are cumulus clouds. Cumulus clouds are either white or grey. White fluffy clouds mean no rain, but dark grey clouds bring rain. They look like heaped cotton or cauliflowers with flat bases. And the fourth category is nimbus. Nimbus means rain bearing. Nimbostratus clouds bring continuous rain, snow or sleet. Cumulonimbus clouds are frequently seen in tropical areas in the afternoon. They bring convectional rain along with lightning and thunder. They are also called thunderclouds. Their appearance, nimbostratus is dark, dull cloud appearing in layers. Cumulus clouds develop into cumulonimbus clouds when the top grows above the freezing level. Ice crystals form at the top and spread out in the shapes of an anvil and appear fibrous. Let us go through the key points. Students, please read the textbook and learn it. Thank you for learning along.